Samsung has quietly released a very limited Galaxy Z Flip 6. If you're considering buying Samsung's newly released Galaxy Z Flip 6, here's what you need to know. The company has carefully announced a limited edition of the new smartphone, reserved for only 800 lucky buyers. The special edition of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 pays homage to Doraemon, a popular Japanese manga and anime character. It's currently available for pre-order on Samsung's website in Hong Kong. The limited edition smartphone will cost 10,698 Hong Kong dollars, approximately $1,370, and will come with 512 gigabytes of storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Customers who purchase the Doraemon Special Edition Galaxy Z Flip 6 will also receive a unique phone stand and flip case. The model comes with a unique pre-installed Doraemon theme, including special opening animations, lock screen, home screen, and app icons. Additionally, customers will also receive a Doraemon Special Edition tote bag. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 was announced at the Galaxy Unpacked event in Paris last week. In addition to this smartphone model, Samsung also unveiled the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Galaxy Watch 7, Galaxy Watch Ultra, and Galaxy Ring. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X main screen with a refresh rate of 120 Hz and a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover display with a refresh rate of 60 Hz, and is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, a 50MP main camera, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10MP front camera. The 256GB model will be priced at $1,100, while the 512GB model will be priced at $1,219. It will be available in mint, yellow, silver shadow, and blue, as well as craft black, peach, and white on Samsung's website. The Doraemon Special Edition Galaxy Z Flip 6 will ship on Thursday, July 18th. At the time of creating this video, the phone is still available for pre-order.